Okay, this is 2008 Lexus IS250 injector wiring connection. I'm going to show you how the injector is being connected. Like you can see here, this is injector drive EDU. Okay, like injector in this particular vehicle have their own personal, they have their own separate unit that control the injector. That's how you have it here. This is a module. This is the ECU that control the injector. Now, this is the connection. Like you can see here, this is injector drive number one. This is injector drive number one. Okay, injector drive number one. We have injector drive number three, injector drive number five. These three injectors come out from one particular connector. Like you can see here, D5, D2, D6, D3. Okay, D4, D1. These three injectors, they come out from one particular connector. Okay, now if you come to this particular one, injector drive number two, injector drive number four, and injector drive number six, they have their own separate connector. Okay, that's why you have this connector here, C6, C3, C4, C1, C5, and 6, C2. Okay, now you have two separate connectors. Now if you unplug this particular C connector, these three injectors will not work, whereas this particular three will be working. Okay, so these three three injectors, they have one connector, and the other three, this particular three, this C connector, have separate one. Okay, so this is the wiring connection, the colors that controls the injector in this particular vehicle. Now they have their feeding from the main engine ECU. Like you can see here, this is the main injectors from the engine control module. This is the engine control module, engine ECU. Okay, this is the engine ECU. Then also the injector line here, the six injector lines here, they feed the module, the injector module, with this particular line. Okay, this is three. Now this one will now in turn feed the injector itself. So it's not coming direct. It's not coming direct from the engine control module down to the injector. So it's coming from the engine control module down to the injector control module. Then the injector control module will now feed the injector. So this is how this particular system works. Okay.